Finally, the cloudy skies outside. You know what? Oh, I just cannot wait to get home and just enjoy this cool fall weather because it is finally here. And if you're trying to get out to the haunted houses, you only have 2 more days to get on out there. If you're going out to the scare grounds in Del Mar, the Scream Zone, of course, temperatures in the mid-60s. All the haunted houses, or at least the main 3, do open up at 7 o'clock tonight, and tomorrow, that's it. That's the rest of it. All right, so we start off in the 60s. That's where we're still sitting. In fact, downtown started off at 64 degrees. We've only climbed 2 degrees all day. The Escondido and Poway, we were about 60 degrees this morning, so we've only climbed about 4 degrees there. And we were talking about this morning. The biggest drop is going to be in our mountains, and that's definitely what we're seeing. Julian, Mount Laguna, 26 degrees cooler than yesterday. Most of us about 1 to 5 degrees cooler, but overall it feels like fall, and the clouds are just making it just even feel like Halloween's around the corner, like maybe tomorrow, finally. So a cooler and wet pattern is going to be moving into California. This storm system doesn't really have a lot of rain with it, but it is enhancing our marine layer. So drizzle, I think this is a little overestimate, but you see the idea. Overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, that chance for a little bit of drizzle, maybe an organized stray shower, and a lot of clouds continuing into the afternoon. It is going to be pretty chilly if you're going out trick-or-treating tomorrow. Temperatures in the mid-50s to low 60s, depending on how late you stay out. Along the coastline, we should get more sunshine Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but more clouds just in time for the weekend. And there is a chance for overnight showers on Saturday, continuing into Sunday. And this could potentially be our first storm, real storm of the season. As of right now, it's just looking like spotty showers, but we could see a lot change until then. So of course, we're going to be tracking this one very, very closely all week long. It's also going to bring some strong winds to our mountains and deserts Saturday into Sunday. Look at that, 50s on Wednesday, guys, in the mountains.